Rip it open! Rip it!
Rip it. Well, we'll get that for you.
Wait, thank you. First thing is, you take the ribbon.
Pull the ribbon up.
Okay, lay it flat. The other side.
The other flat.
I'll get it.
They're like wild animals in a feeding frenzy. Oh, it's taped?
I punched it.
No, it's not.
Yay, bubble wrap!
Try icy bubble wrap. They're in.
Best stuff there is.
What's this?
And enough rope to hang yourselves.
Drinks? Cody, what's this?
You know those swings? You know the swing that hangs from the tree?
Oh yeah, they go like...
Yeah, and you just sit on it.
That. Somebody's names are on it though.
Tim made
It
that.
says Tim and
Yeah.
Carrie.
This is Cody's side and mine.
Yeah, that's from Aunt Carrie and Uncle Tim.
Mommy, no.
Look in the camera.
Hey.
What do you say?